Hello, this is Hilda, your host from Mickey and My Craft. Welcome. I hope everybody is doing okay, great during this week. I have two unbaggings to do from the store Tangbr. I'm sorry if I pronounce it incorrectly. But one of these I found it interesting because it's a diamond painting that contains a craft that it has been diamond paint, and I mean that it has been put in the canvas. So and we're gonna talk about that a little bit more. And I'm starting collecting my DPs for San Valentine's. So let's start with the first one. The first one is not the one that I'm just talk to you about it. So I hope everybody is okay. Thanks God the noise of politics came out. I'm stopping the heavy, getting rid of the pages, political pages and stuff like that. I want to focus on the craft. It's more fun anyway, focusing on the craft. So I found this one interesting. This one, it has the standard toolkit. It has some baggies. We're gonna look at the drills. It seems like the drills are already bagged for you. It's a regular canvas, you know. And this one I found interesting. I'm gonna post a picture of it, but here is the thumbnail of it. And these remind me how we diamond painters blow money smoke on diamond paintings. This has 20 colors. It has the DMC number, and they are the key code is on both sides. It has letters and numbers, so no complication about symbols. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. It's a 30 by 40. And well, it's a 30 by 40, the whole canvas. Usually know the picture. This is a red lips, which are very well defined. And this is a pack of money on a grenade. And she just pulled the plug to blow the money. Exactly as I do with the diamond paintings. The drill fill is good, if you can see. I'm sorry, but my throat today is kind of crazy. You can see the drill fill. You still need a light pad because it's pretty much dark. And it has a lot of 939, which is a very dark color. That's the age. And when I saw this, I saw myself how sometimes I blow out money in diamond paint and other craft too. Because I love craft. So I think this one is going to come out okay. Let's take a look at the drills. And that's okay. The drills came back, but I will put a small sticker with the color, with the DMC code, I should say, because the leftover, I saved them by the DMC code. So let's take a look at some. I know is how many colors I said? 20 colors. Let's look at these dark colors. Let me put you a little bit more of that. Zoom you in more so you can see the. And the dark colors are the ones that usually, and these are pretty good. I hardly see any dimples on it, not even a fade one. Let's see this one that is clear. Number 5. You know what? Let's count them. Let's make sure the 20 bags are in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11. And so you can see all the colors on it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, and 20. Okay, so you got all the colors over here. Here's the 939. That's obvious. And I hardly seen any dimples on it or any trash. But they already bagged for you by the numbers, to those of you who likes the numbers. And but I usually put the DMC code on it so I can I'm so sorry. So I can storage them by the colors. I like this one. This one probably is for her lips. After I finish this, I'm gonna excuse me just a moment. I'm sorry, guys. So I was saying I like to put the stickers with the DMC code, so when I get to do them, when I finish, any leftover are storage by DMC code, so that's okay. I forgot to put my microphone. So let's take a look at one. This is a lady who is about to blow some money with a grenade. She just pulled the pin. So when I saw this one, I thought about, you know, how some of us love to buy diamond paintings. So let me put this aside so we can do. Now this one that you're gonna see, I bought it because it's good for Eastern, and it's from the same company, Tang, whatever. Let me get this out. And it has a craft that I'm planning to introduce to the channel probably toward the end of next year. And here is your standard kit. Let me zoom you out so you can see better. Here are the drills. It's a round one too. Let me this is a cross, right? I'm gonna post a picture up there, but I'm gonna show you the thumbnail. Okay, this is very confetti, although you have sections over here on it. It's very colorful. It's a 30 by 40. It has 19 colors. And and this that you see over here is what is called paper quilling. Let me show you the thumbnail. Those little rolls that you see there is called paper quilling. Paper quilling is a craft where you roll up and give different form to strips of papers, and then you can create different things with it. And it's an interesting craft. I used to do it too, and I love it. I love it. So that's the reason, one of the reasons why I bought this. First, if it's a cross full of paper quilling on the inside, different colors, and you can see how they roll them up. Once this is finished, we will be able to see it more. So the 19 colors. Oh, that's interesting. They put 1 through 19 over here on this side of the key code, but over here you have the DMC code. So let me put you. Over here you have the DMC code. So this is sticky, I believe. Although I have a very important review, because even though some of these are sticky, I was having problem in one of the ones before, sticking the drills. It kind of fall off, and it wasn't because I had the clear cover on it. It was because, I don't know, you have to be careful where you put these ones so the glue doesn't melt a little bit. So this is the reason. This craft I'm planning to introduce it on the end of next year, because I want to make some projects and show you. I want to find some projects that I did. Plus the Chinese has modified the craft. So it has become like they do the negative space, and that's what it is. We're being crafted with the paper quilling. So let's see the drills. The heck? I said it was 19 colors. Here, color 19. Even though you have the DMC code on one side, the bags where the drills are not don't have the DMC code. So these are pretty nice. Let's start. Okay, it seems like you have 3 packs of the 19 color, which is a 5200, which is for the background. And this is color number 18. But I'm going to start from the beginning so you can see the colors. It's going to have the different colors of the paper quilling that we have. Remember, it has a lot of color on it, a lot of confetti on it. But these are looking pretty good. I don't hardly see no garbage. So when they let Maybe I need to pull it back a little bit. You can make beautiful cards. I made a card for my mama one time for her birthday. You can almost do anything with the paper quilling. You can even make cupcakes. There's a way to roll it up. There are molds that you can use. But that's a craft that probably I'm going to introduce it toward the end of next year. Because in January, we're going to start with the paper tool and the other stuff that we're going to do with diamond painting, besides whatever review or post review. This is a 19 color that we have another bag, and this is color 18. So this is why I pick up this one, because I found it interesting when I saw that it has paper quilling roll up inside the cross. And paper quilling is very interesting, and it's an old craft too. I think it was an English craft, if I'm not mistaken. I'll give you more information when I introduce the craft. But the Chinese, because I just bought a book, the Chinese has modified it. So most of the 5200 is going to go on the outside. And all these curls that you see on it, they are the paper quilling. That's going to be interesting to do. Well, this is it. I hope you like it. You're getting some new information about what's going on next year. I have to do a planner about it. And hope you have a wonderful week and a wonderful day. See you soon again. Until then, love and peace. Bye.